Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage floor tiles that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the B-Max Gym Mat Set. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this one might just be the perfect pick. For just $34.99, you get 18 interlocking EVA foam tiles that cover a total of 18 square feet. These tiles are lightweight, BPA-free, and feature an anti-slip surface, making them a great option for gym spaces, home garages, or even kids' play areas. The design is simple but effective, offering a 0.4-inch thickness that provides decent cushioning and noise reduction. While the EVA foam material is not as durable as polypropylene, it's perfect for light-duty use, such as protecting floors from scratches or placing under workout equipment. The puzzle piece edges make installation a breeze, allowing you to expand or customize the layout as needed. However, these tiles may not be the best choice for heavy-duty garage use, as they might not withstand the pressure of vehicles or heavy machinery. They're also less resistant to oil and stains compared to other options on this list. But if you're prioritizing affordability and need a quick solution for less demanding applications, the B-Max Gym Mat Set is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Boldworks Garage Floor Tiles. Priced at $109.99, this pack of 48 interlocking tiles is designed for medium to heavy-duty use, with a load capacity of up to 40,000 pounds. Made from polypropylene, these tiles are resistant to oil, stains, and water, making them a practical choice for garages and workshops. One standout feature is the anti-slip brick pattern surface, which provides excellent traction even in wet conditions. The tiles are also UV-coated to prevent buckling under sunlight, a common issue with lower-quality tiles. The 0.5-inch thickness adds durability, while the snap-lock interlocking system allows for quick and tool-free installation. You'll appreciate how easy it is to clean these tiles. Just mop or vacuum, and you're good to go. While Boldworks tiles are sturdy, their simplistic design and lack of advanced features like drainage might limit their appeal for highly customized garage setups. Additionally, their industrial look might not suit everyone's aesthetic preferences. But for those seeking durability and functionality at a reasonable price, the Boldworks Garage Floor Tiles are a dependable option. Taking the third spot is the Jopard Garage Floor Tiles, which strike a great balance between price and performance. For $90.99, you get 20 interlocking tiles that measure 15.7 by 15.7 inches each, covering a total of 34 square feet. These tiles are made from virgin polypropylene and feature a mesh design for effective drainage. The drainage system keeps your garage floor dry and minimizes moisture buildup, making these tiles ideal for areas prone to spills or rain exposure. The 0.7-inch thickness is impressive, offering excellent durability and a high load capacity of up to 10 tons. Installation is incredibly simple, thanks to the snap-together design, and the tiles can be customized into various patterns for a more personalized look. However, while the Jopard tiles are versatile and durable, their larger size might make them slightly less flexible for smaller or irregular spaces. Additionally, the limited color options might not appeal to those looking for a more vibrant aesthetic. Overall, these tiles are a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable and functional flooring solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Coming in at number 2 is the Big Floors Garage Deck Coin Pattern Tiles. For $143.55, this 48-pack of interlocking tiles offers premium features and a sleek design. Made from high-impact copolymer, these tiles are built to withstand rolling loads of over 40,000 pounds and resist oil, grease, and household chemicals. The coin pattern surface is not only aesthetically appealing, but also provides excellent traction for a non-slip experience. Big Floor's patented Power Lock technology ensures a secure interlock, preventing the tiles from shifting under heavy use. Cleanup is a breeze, and the tiles require little to no maintenance, just a quick mop or vacuum, and you're all set. The modular design allows for endless customization, so you can create unique patterns to match your garage's aesthetic. While the price is on the higher side, the quality and durability make these tiles a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for a premium solution that combines functionality and style, the Big Floors Garage Deck coin pattern tiles are an excellent choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Big Floors Race Deck Free Flow Interlocking Garage Flooring Tiles. At $162.79, these tiles are the epitome of premium garage flooring. This 48-tile set is made from high-impact polypropylene and features a patented self-draining design that's perfect for keeping your garage dry and clean. The tiles are incredibly durable, capable of handling rolling loads of up to 80,000 pounds, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. The interlocking system is user-friendly, allowing for quick and tool-free installation. The open grid design not only aids in drainage, but also makes cleaning up dirt and debris incredibly easy. These tiles are made in the USA and are compatible with other race deck tiles, giving you endless design possibilities for your garage. While the price is the highest on this list, you're paying for top-notch quality and performance. These tiles are perfect for anyone who wants a professional-grade garage floor that's both functional and visually stunning. If you demand the best of the best, the Big Floors Race Deck Free Flow tiles are the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.